In Chapter 7, we are going to look at cardiovascular fitness. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to describe the benefits of cardiovascular fitness to health and wellness, explain the relationship between physical activity and good cardiovascular fitness, describe and demonstrate some methods you can use to assess your cardiovascular fitness, and also determine how much cardiovascular fitness is enough. Of the 11 parts of fitness, cardiovascular fitness is the most important, because those who have higher levels of cardiovascular fitness receive many health and wellness benefits, including a chance for a longer life. This requires fitness of the heart, lungs, blood vessels, and muscles. Regular physical activity can also help you look better by controlling your weight, building muscle, and developing good posture. Regular physical activity benefits two systems: the cardiovascular system, comprised of the heart, blood vessels, and blood, and the respiratory system, comprised of the lungs and air passages. Physical activity benefits the cardiovascular system in the following ways. The heart. This muscle gets stronger, is able to pump more blood with each beat, allowing it to beat slower and work more efficiently. Your lungs are able to breathe slower but deeper during activity, work more efficiently, and deliver more oxygen to the blood. Physical activity decreases your risk of atherosclerosis in your arteries, which will lower your blood pressure, decrease your risk of blood clots leading to heart attacks. It's also been shown that you may be able to develop extra blood vessels and bigger arteries, which allow for more blood flow. Your veins develop healthy valves to return deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Physical activity affects your blood in that it decreases the bad cholesterol, which is your LDLs and fats, and increases your good cholesterol, your HDLs, which takes the bad cholesterol out of your bloodstream. With this, there is less chance of blood clots. It affects your cells in that they are able to use oxygen efficiently, get rid of more waste, and use blood sugars and insulin more effectively to produce energy. We can assess cardiovascular fitness in a laboratory or in class. In a laboratory, a running or cycling test can measure how much oxygen you use during exercise, like in this video. In class, we use aerobic tests like the pacer and 1 mile run. Although these assessments aren't as accurate as laboratory fitness tests, they do give us a good idea of your fitness level. There are 3 types of physical activity. Aerobic activity is steady activity in which the heart can supply all the oxygen the muscles need. Active aerobic activity is aerobic activity done at an intensity that raises the heart rate above the threshold of training and into the target zone. Many less intensive activities are aerobic, but are not considered active aerobic. Anaerobic physical activity is activity done in short, fast bursts in which the heart cannot supply oxygen as fast as muscles use it. Anaerobic fitness is important to being a good sports performer, but anaerobic activities are not included in the physical activity pyramid as a type of activity that provides significant health and wellness benefits. To achieve cardiovascular fitness, your heart rate must be elevated above the threshold of training and into the target fitness zone. We apply the FIT principle of frequency, intensity, time, and type to determine how to build cardiovascular fitness. Cardiovascular fitness needs to be done at a frequency of at least 4 days a week. It needs to be done at an intensity in which it raises your heart rate into the target heart rate range. It needs to be done at a time of at least 30 minutes. And types of cardiovascular fitness may include running, swimming, biking, jump rope,